Higgins coming at you live from Charleston, South Carolina. As you guys are hopping on, say hi, say hello. It's been a while since I've been live, so hi. If you missed me, drop I missed you in the comments below. And if you're catching this live, go ahead and drop live in the comments below. If you're on the replay, drop a 2 and number 2 in the comments below. So tonight I'm making one of my favorite recipes. This is chicken Alfredo, low carb style. For those of you who are keto or low carb, y'all can drop keto or low carb in the comments below. If you kind of just do like whatever, you can drop whatever too. That's cool too. We don't judge over here. But say hi, say hello. Make sure you guys share out the video. I do a weekly giveaway where I give away fun stuff. And I don't know, you might win some ketosis. I have no idea. Wink, wink. Share the video. The little arrow at the bottom. Click that. Share it to a friend. Share it to your page. And then comment shared whenever you're done for your chance to win. Okay? So I announce the winners of that in my stories every Friday. So y'all stay tuned to that on Instagram or on Facebook in case you're on the TikTok. And by the way, if you guys are not already following me, make sure you guys tap my face and click the 3 dots. If you're on Facebook, click follow and see first. Hi Brooke, hey Marissa, hi Caitlin, and if you're on TikTok, click the little follow button right here. Don't be a fool, okay? Don't be a fool. So the first thing I did is I went ahead and I cooked my chicken breast. Now what I did is I actually pan fried, I don't know if that's the right word, but I put olive oil in the pan and then I cooked my chicken with salt and pepper and I did a little bit of smoked paprika as well. And then what I did is it started to burn. So I'm going to make a TikTok of this too in case you guys don't maybe I know there are a lot of people who don't like to watch live video. Obviously all of you that are on here like live video, but there are a lot of people who don't like videos and won't watch the video. So I like to create TikToks and reels out of my recipes too. Over on TikTok, and I also post them to Facebook too sometimes. But anyways, so I'm gonna make a reel of this, and in the reel, the chicken is like really burnt, but it turned out really, really good. I've already taste tested it. It's freaking delicious. How do you send out invitations to watch the live? So there's like a little arrow button. If you click that arrow button, you can send it to a couple of your friends. Hi Renee, Brooke, thank you for sharing. Hi Caitlin, hey Diana. We have a bunch of Melissas on the line. Hey, what's up Susan? If you guys want access to all of my yummy, easy, healthy recipes that help me lose 30 pounds of fat in 3 months, y'all can just drop easy in the comments below and I'll get you guys access, okay? So I have so many recipes that I love and I make all the time. This is one of them, and the spaghetti squash, don't let it scare you because it's actually really good. The first time I saw this, I was like, what the fuck? There's no way I'm eating that. It's yellow and it looks like throw up. But I promise you it's good. It has the consistency of regular noodles. Now this isn't going to be like regular Alfredo, but it's still really delicious, I promise. So I cooked my chicken. I also put a little bit of butter in there because it started to burn and the butter helped to not make it so crispy, you know what I mean? Hi Nicole, thanks for sharing, I appreciate that. Okay, so anyways, and then what I did is I poured in a whole thing of this classic Alfredo. Now this sauce right here is keto. It's more like lazy keto because it has 3 carbs and 1 total sugar. And then 1 added sugar. So this is lazy keto, you guys. If you're strict keto, you probably don't follow me, okay? But I have a tool that I use that keeps me in ketosis 24/7, so I'm not worried about a little bit of 1 gram of sugar, okay? If you guys want information on the tool that I use that keeps me in ketosis, curbs my appetite, gives me clean energy, you guys can drop tool in the comments below. But anyway, so I poured a whole thing of this. You guys can take a screenshot if you would like. And then what I did is I poured a little bit of heavy cream, shook it up, and then put the rest in there just to thicken it up just a little bit. And then I put that on low. That's what this little mixture is here. So I put the chicken back on top of the crispy, brown, burnt stuff. And then I added in the Alfredo sauce. And then what I did with the spaghetti squash is I cut it in half. I put a little bit of olive oil. Hold on, I'm grabbing some salt and pepper because I almost forgot this. I put a little olive oil and then I baked it in the oven at 400 for 30 minutes. So that's what this is. I went ahead and just made all of this because y'all know how to make chicken. You know what I mean? I don't need to show y'all how to make chicken. Also, I am not a freaking cook. I just like to share my recipes because they're freaking delicious. So I'm just adding a little bit of pink salt and pepper. Hi Shayna, hey Christina, hey Amber, hi Bridget, hey Shannon. Say hi, say hello. Make sure you guys share the video and let me know in the comments below where you guys are watching from too. I feel like I haven't been live in forever and I've lost my groove, you know what I mean? Hi Crystal. So yeah, all right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm literally just gonna pour this on, I'm not even gonna waste a bowl or nothing. I'm just gonna put my chicken sauce right on top of here. And I'm gonna eat it just like this. And guys, this is so freaking delicious. It's so good. I'm also gonna just like get some sauce, no more chicken, just like saucy. I just like throw the sauce on there, just like that. Ugh, it's literally so good. So it's super easy, super simple, very yummy, super low carb, very delicious. This is one of the recipes that I ate to help me lose 30 pounds of fat in 3 months without like really restricting myself. So I don't know if you guys are anything like me, but I am not really good at like dieting, I guess you could say. I can't stick to a strict diet to save my freaking life, okay? I have freaking binge eating disorder, and when I restrict myself, it like throws me into like this binge like spree for like a week, and then it's like this vicious cycle, and I hate that. And so I found something that's super sustainable for me. So if you guys would like information on what it is that I actually do specifically, y'all can just drop info in the comments below. I'll shoot you some info, give you all my recipes and all of that. But I'm doing this like intermittent fasting 5-day thing where I'm only eating for 8 hours a day. So I'm fasting for 16 hours. So most of it you're sleeping, okay? Don't freak out, don't stress about it, okay? Do you guys know the benefits of fasting? There are so many benefits to fasting, and like you guys can just go check out my Instagram story. I posted a bunch of it to my Instagram stories if you guys are interested in learning more about that. But fasting is so good for you, and so I'm incorporating this 5-day fasting program where I fast for 16 hours, and then I have a time frame of 8 hours where I can eat. So I ate a little bit a while ago. I had some eggs and a little bit of like turkey sausage, and then now I'm having this. So like my last meal is 8 p.m. every single day. Like I can't eat anything after that. So that's the program I'm really excited because it's going to help accelerate fat loss and all of that. Like gut health, like reduces inflammation. Like it's really good for so many things. So I'm going to enjoy this. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. If you make it, let me know how you like it, okay? Make sure you guys share the video if you haven't already. Comment shared in the comments below. This is what the squash looks like right here. So you just like take the fork and you just like scoop it out like that. But anyways, my fasting hours is I stop eating at 8 and then I eat again around 2 or 3 the next day. And then the ketones that I drink curb my appetite and allow me to fast without feeling like I'm starving. So if you guys want information on that, y'all can just drop fast in the comments below. I think tonight's the last night to get into the beta part of the 5-day program. So if you guys want to do the fasting with me, y'all can drop fast in the comments below. But anyways, I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Again, if y'all want my recipes, just drop easy in the comments below. I got you. But I hope y'all have a good night, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye, you guys.